Need to replace your headlight on your 1999 Honda Passport? Isuzu Rodeo? Yeah, it's out. Dim, you want to upgrade them? Well, lucky for you, it's easy. You don't need any tools. Just your hands. That's it. Start by opening your hood. Next, you need to access the back side of your headlight. It's in there. It's in there. Right there. Right there. Right there. I see it. What you're going to do is you're going to take your hands and you're going to grab this black ring. This black ring here twists and comes off. That's kind of the trick there for that one. Okay, so first you unplug it. You got this little pinch bit right here. Push down on that lock and it clips. Put that off to the side. And then you got your ring, like I was just pointing out here. You got that ring you got to take and twist. You're going to twist so that counterclockwise. That is unlock. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. You're going to pull it straight off the back of that headlight. The bulb, this is your ring here. This ring can go off to the side. You're going to go ahead and grab your bulb and you're going to give it just a little wiggle until it comes out. And you're going to take your new one and you're going to aim it right inside of there. You're going to put it in the same way you took it out. There is an up and a down. There are alignment dowels on the bulb and on the housing itself to help you with that. Put it in there nice and snug. You're going to take that lock ring, go back over the headlight with it, find the retainers, put it in there, and you're going to turn it clockwise. That's righty-tighty. Now it's in there, the bulb is nice and tight. You'll take your connector, plug it back in until it clicks, and then you're gonna run yourself a nice little function test. You're gonna find out that your headlights now work better, they work again, or whatever you did. And if you're gonna do the same thing on the other side, it's the same thing on the other side. You unclip it, turn the ring counterclockwise, pull the ring off, wiggle the bulb out, take the bulb, put it back in because I'm actually going to reuse these ones. This was for demonstration purposes only. Take your old ring, pop it back in there, lock it down, put your connector back in there until it clicks, and that's it. All of 5 minutes, if that.